Hi there, in this video I just wanted to go back to the Hypervolt install video that I did where I took you from the ordering of the Hypervolt all the way to the install at the end. There were some really good comments on that video and some points that I as a non-electrician didn't really pick up on, but inside the meter box there was a hole in the top of one of the switches of the isolator on the neutral side, on the blue side that had come out, where it was in there originally, obviously before the install had happened. And I really want to thank those people who commented on that video and actually said, hey, what's going on here? So what I actually did was I put those questions back to the installer, and so it turns out that the actual isolator switch itself, the clamps that were holding in the neutral wire, were actually broken and it wasn't working. So that's why the installer at the time decided to install it how it was and leave it how it was in that original video. Thankfully, the company decided to come back and they did apologise, and they said what should have happened was that was remedial work that should have happened. Really, the original installer should have noted that down on his installation notes, and then that would have been fed back to the actual headquarters, and then somebody else would have then come out and changed that switch. So they have been out and they've changed the switch. So here's what it actually looks like now. So what you can see from this image here and this video is that the cable has been put back in. The neutral is now back in the top there, and apparently if they ever did not put a cable back in, then they would use like a little rubber sort of cap bung or something like that on the top to sort of fill in the hole. So there shouldn't really be an open hole on your install. Okay, so I just wanted to share that quickly with you and about what that kind of looks like now. Again, I just want to thank those people on YouTube in the original video for putting those questions forward, because obviously I had no idea how the inside of a meter box should be really wired up. So that's really good. The power of the internet and the power of YouTube has paid off. I'll say finally paid off, has paid off. So thanks again for that. So that was just a little update. See you soon.